Welcome to the tale of Pune, India's illustrious city of cycles. But not everything is as it seems, because it is a saga of its glorious ascent, followed by an unfortunate decline, but with the hopeful whispers of a resurgence. Today we're pedaling through time to unravel the fascinating journey of this bustling city. Strap in for a ride through history, challenges, and the road ahead as Pune gears up to possibly reclaim its title. Imagine Pune's streets from yesteryears, humming with the rhythm of bicycle chains and the bell's cheerful ring. Flat terrains, academic institutions galore, and industrious spirits made cycling more than just transit. It was Pune's heartbeat. Students weaved through academia and the city's arteries on two wheels, while manufacturing plants churned out bicycles, making them the lifeblood of Pune's transport. Weekends were a spectacle of cycling clubs' camaraderie, a testament to the city's love affair with the humble cycle. But as the city swelled and motor vehicles roared onto the scene, the romance with bicycles began to wane. The very air cyclists breathed grew heavy with pollution, and once welcoming roads turned perilous without lanes for their trusty steeds. The introduction of app-based rides offered a convenient escape from the cycling challenges, leading many to trade pedals for a touchscreen tap. Yet, the wheels of change never stop turning. Pune's authorities, spurred by the global call for sustainability, have initiated a revival. Cycling marathons and car-free days sprang up, invoking the city's dormant cycling spirit. The inception of public bike-sharing programs promises a greener commute, and cycling clubs are banding together, advocating for a future where Pune streets are once again a cyclist's haven. We stand at the cusp of a new era, where environmental consciousness could lead Pune back to its cycling legacy. It's a path riddled with urban hurdles and lifestyle inertia, but the city's commitment to a cycling renaissance is evident. The task ahead is monumental, requiring a synergy of community voices and government action. Pune's cycling story is a powerful lesson in adaptability and resilience. While modernity has reshaped its urban fabric, the essence of its cycling culture persists, eager to re-emerge. As Pune stands at this crossroads, the question remains: will it pedal forth to a greener future, reclaiming its title as India's true city of cycles? From a celebrated past to a challenging present and an anticipated future, Pune's chronicle is a reminder that progress isn't just about moving forward. Sometimes it's about rediscovering the paths we've left behind. Thank you for joining us on this insightful ride, and until next time, keep the spirit of cycling alive.